Depositing money into your Webull account is a simple process. Here's a step-by-step guide. Open the Webull app, download and log in. Download the Webull app from the App Store or Google Play Store, or use the Webull website. Log into your account. Access the deposit section. Navigate. On the mobile app, tap the Account tab at the bottom of the screen. On the website, go to the Transfer tab. Initiate deposit. Select deposit. Choose deposit to start the process of adding funds. Link your bank account. Add bank account. If you haven't already linked a bank account, follow the prompts to add your bank details. You may need to provide your bank account number and routing number. Webull may use micro deposits to verify the account. Enter deposit amount. Specify amount. Enter the amount you wish to deposit. Be mindful of any minimum deposit requirements or limits. Confirm and submit. Review details. Check the deposit details, including the amount and bank account information. Submit. Tap Submit or Confirm to complete the deposit process. Monitor deposit status. Check status. Go to the Account tab to track the status of your deposit. It typically takes a few business days for funds to appear in your Webull account.